Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman, here on a AR195 Yamaha. As you can see, we have one bucket seat for the driver. We have an L-shaped wraparound seating arrangement for the cockpit. Engine room access here. A foldable, nice hard arch. On the dash, you have Clarion Bluetooth stereo. You have a connect system here, touchscreen. Place to hold your phone here. All single toggle switches. Up front, you have seating room for four. And in the floor, you have plenty of storage here for the floor. Holds coolers, brushes, fenders, whatever. As I said, in the back, you have engine access here. Very easy to open and close. In the rear, you have clean out ports back here. You have the C-deck material for non-skid. Ladder is in the back underneath the deck. Removable seating here. Also have a removable piece here. Stereo speakers front and rear. Come see us at Lake Norman.